The aim of this simulation is to understand the Joule phenomenon. According to the Joule phenomenon, when current is flowing inside a resistor, then heat is produced. In the simulation, we use a battery of constant voltage of 200 volts, a rheostat as a variable resistor, a thermometer, a chronometer, and an amperometer. The vessel contains water of mass zero point 0.2 kilos. The resistance of the resistor that is immersed in the water is 200 ohms. In the help section, detailed theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter Rx denotes the variable resistance. The parameter Tin denotes the initial temperature. The parameter T denotes the observation time of the simulation. The parameter SR, simulation rate, indicates the rate at which the motion simulation progresses. We observe the Joule effect. The battery converts the chemical energy of the electrolyte into electrical energy. The resistor converts the electrical energy into thermal energy. In the stopwatch, the observation time of the phenomenon is displayed. In the amperometer, the value of the current intensity flowing through the resistor inside the water is displayed. In the thermometer, the temperature of the water is displayed. In the results table, the heat released by the resistor and then absorbed by the water is also displayed. We can interrupt the motion simulation. We can hide the results table. We can reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can choose various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the questions and exercises section, questions and exercises corresponding to the simulation are proposed. We can solve these exercises and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.